Hello, what's up guys? It's me, Cadet Novem D. Nacario. And for today's video, our topic is all about maritime communication. And I will teach you how to perform Morse code sound signaling alphabet sounds and how to activate Sart and radar. So in this video, it is a maritime related educational vlog. So it benefits what? It benefits those aspiring students who want to take maritime courses in their college. So in this video, they can study in advance about maritime communication, especially on Morse code, Sart, and radar. So before we will proceed to the tutorial, I would like to educate you about the importance of proper communication on board. So communication plays a major role in the maritime industry, whether it be between crew members, officers, or between two ships. Ambiguity and confusion are the primary causes of accidents and untoward incidents that happen on board ships and other vessels. So in order to attain safety, or to have a safe voyage, effective and proper communication is needed. For what reason? Because it is one of the key factors that helps to create and maintain a safe environment on and around your vessel. And as I mentioned earlier about Morse code, Sart, and radar, I would like to explain to you what are those things. So what is Morse code? So Morse code is a communication method which represents the letters of the alphabet using long and short pulses of lights or sounds. Each character is represented by a unique sequence of dots and dashes. And what is Sart? So, Sart is a search and rescue transponder. It is an electronic device that automatically reacts to the emission of radar, and this enhances the visibility on a radar screen. So, Sart transponders are used to what? To ease the search for a ship in distress or life craft. So let's proceed. What is radar? So radar is a radio detection and ranging. So it is an instrument that can detect surrounding objects around radio waves. So thus, in the maritime world, objects such as ships, buoys, or birds can be detected by what? By the equipment called radar. So, since I am done explaining those importance and what are those equipments used in communication, so let's proceed to the tutorial.
Morse code sound signaling. Alphabet sounds.
Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India, Juliet, Kilo, Lima, Mike, November, Oscar, Papa, Quebec, Romeo, Sierra, Tango, Uniform, Victor, Whiskey, X-ray, Yankee. Zulu. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 0.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, for today's video, I will demonstrate you how to activate Sart and radar. So first, as you can see, the mouse, click Sart. You can see, and then click once the Sart has been activated, its signal will appear on the radar. So first step is to click the Sart. Click, and then so you can see the whole Sart is in the left side, and then click the red pin. Bring your mouse on this side, and click on that side. As you can see, after you click, it will activate because it is blinking. And the red light is blinking. Then we go to the radar. And then click transmit. Wait for it. Just wait. So as you can see, the signal of your Sart comes from the center because it's your Sart has been activated. So it's in the center because your Sart is on board. Then after that, we have to change the range to 12 miles, 6 miles, and 3 miles. So we will change it here at the top. So first, we will change it to 12 miles, 6 miles. Okay, it will appear. Wait for it to appear. So this is the 6 miles. This is how it looks. And then we will switch it to 12 miles. We will change the range to 12 miles. Okay, this is 12 miles, and then we will go back to the 6 miles. And then we'll go back to 3 miles. That is the 6 miles, and we'll go back to 3 miles. This is the 3 miles. So if we turn off the Sart, click the Sart. Here, click the Sart. And just click this. Here, click this. So, as you can see, the blink disappear and it sounds. Then, click this to go back into the original position on the Sart. Okay, and then go back to the radar. So as you can see, there is no signal anymore, so we will click the standby. So that is it for the Sart and radar. Thank you for listening.